This version of the Smart Wood Shop is about 7 years old, and it just gets better every day. I love this space. I know I have all of that out there, but there's just something about everything being contained and organized and visible and accessible. It just makes it a joy to use. And to put on top of that, this thing's sitting on wheels, and I get to take this thing to the job. So I have all of this with me wherever I go. No going into the shop or the garage and scratching my head and wondering what tools I need to load into the truck or the van today. That's really old school. This is way more productive and way more enjoyable. This is the Super Smart Kart, the new one. This one is the old one. The Super Smart Kart is the big cart that the Smart Kart rides on top of. You know, when all the tools are cubed up and rolled in to the Smart Wood Shop. I went to these bigger wheels so that when I'm on something other than a driveway like a port, even an aggregate driveway is fine with this one, but with having gravel or crushed or shell or any of that stuff, I needed a bigger wheel. So I went to these 8-inch instead of 5, and then these are solid rubber. I still should have gone with air and maybe even a 10-inch, but these are doing really good. When all the benches are cubed up and loaded on this, you can't see the cart because the Smart Kart cantilevers out over it a little bit. So I'm showing you without the benches and the cube so you can see exactly what it does. So with the 8-inch wheel, there's a gap here between the door, the ramp door, and the trailer. It has to go over. It does a pretty good job. The 5-inch didn't work at all because it would kind of get trapped in there and I'd have to lift it. This one still takes a little motivation with the weight on it, but it does a pretty good job. I really think a 10-inch would be ideal. When you're pushing it, the wheels want to rotate around and trail in the opposite direction they're going. Pretty typical on casters. So you can see that the direction that they're in. The first time I used it, it was great. I pushed it back in and I was able to pin it in place with the bar that I have. I went to pull it back out, and that whole trailing wheel thing, it reverses because now we're going this direction and the wheels want to rotate around. And therein lies the problem. The wheels spin and it's like a brake. They hit the sides and you can't get it to move. You can push it back and it'll go backwards, but it won't come forward. Now I couldn't see the wheels when the cube was on it. I had to get down on the ground and look underneath, and it was the back wheels that were causing me the problem. And they were, particularly the right side, were spinning over. They couldn't spin around. And so they were acting like a brake. They were wedged. So I had to get a broom, get down and push back on it, spin them around so they were facing toward the back, and then move it and they would stay. But I have an easy fix for it. All I need to do is move the wheels inboard a little bit. I want to keep them outside so that the locks, when rotated in this position, I can get to with my foot. Even though the cart cantilevers out here and it's hard to reach under, I do want to be able to get to these. But when it rotates around to the side, I don't want it sticking out at all, not the wheel or the brake or anything. So all I need to do is take all 4 wheels and move them in. Now I'll take advantage of the fact that I've got the 4 holes drilled, so I'll just have to repeat 2 each. I'll just move the outside to the inside and then drill new holes. So it'll probably take me about 20 minutes, but it'll be an easy fix. I wanted to point this out to you in case you were going to build yourself one of these carts, because there are no plans for it, it's simply a board that's sized to fit the smart cart and wheels mounted. The super smart cart has a big important job to move the smart wood shop all cubed up into the smart wood shop trailer and onto the job. But it offers a lot more utility than that. The smart cart duty is simply load and put it on. It stays in place until we unload. And then once that's done, it sort of sits around. But it has great utility on the job. And that is as a dolly, as a cart that you can put pretty much anything on. If you're moving cabinets, or where I find it very handy is with hardwood and tile. When I'm bringing in hardwood, it's usually a large amount and they're boxed up or they're bound. And I have to pick a corner to put them. And because I have this, I'm able to just stack it all on this and just move it around. I don't have to decide a particular spot for it to go. I can, again, start over here, and then once I move around a bit, I can move it. And that's the reason I kept the old smart cart. I don't need it to work in moving around the smart wood shop, but I already have it. And those 5-inch wheels are great once they're inside a house. So I'm hanging on to that one because, again, particularly materials that you want to move around a little bit, like when you bring in your tiles or things, the tile delivery guy shows up, backs up to the garage and can unload it right into the garage. But if I've got my cart there, we can just load it right from the van or the truck they're delivering with onto the cart, right at the door to the garage, because typically we stage all our materials in there and then move them into the house. Well, I can just move this right up to that door to the garage and we just load it right there, and then I can push it around. It can get heavy. You got to be careful, depending on the flooring that's underneath, so you don't hurt anything. But again, usually it's new construction and I'm on top of the subfloor, so I really can't hurt anything. And it's just very, very convenient to have things like this, again, for the mobility of materials, rather than me running out to the garage and getting one box of tile, bringing it in, and another. So there is a lot of utility, and you may find you want to build yourself a couple of them, even though you only need one for the smart wood shop. If you'd like your own smart bench, smart station, any of the smart tools that go with the smart system, or the smart wood shop itself, you'll find a link in the description of this video down below. You can go there, purchase any of the plans or package of plans, and within minutes you'll get an email and you can download the plans 24/7, 365. That's right. From when you see this message until you're looking at the plans on your computer or your phone or your tablet, it's just a matter of a minute or two. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop. See you on the next one.